friends, this week we're talking about the letter J. So you're going to have a packet of things that start with the letter J. You're going to start here. You're going to go down and around and up. And you're going to come back to the top and go across. You can do 2 of them. You can try a little one. It's up to you. Then you're going to flip it over and do lowercase j the same way. You're going to start at the red dot, come all the way down and stop, and a dot will be the second letter. Do a few of them or do all of them. You decide with your family. The next one is to highlight a letter. Letter J. Which ones are the J's in this little square area? Highlight them, color them, you decide. Then you can practice writing your J's. Capital J, lowercase j. Okay? This one, you're going to find the letter J's again. It's kind of a little bit of a puzzle, but have fun with it. Not every single letter in here is a J, but there's different ways to write J's. Then this one, you can circle or you can stamp letter J. J is for jar. Then you can look around your house. You can put it on a little Post-it note, or you can carry one of your papers around with you and look through your house. Where are J's? Can you find J's in your pantry? Can you find J's in the bathroom? Where do you see letter J's? See how many you can find? You can even put little tallies on a piece of paper. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.